this is her hair situation. So her hair at this point, we just losing the hair, and that's the previous cornrow she was wearing before. It was really old and dirty, and after loosening, we went on to wash her hair with shampoo and conditioner, and now we are just using hand dryer to dry the hair like so. So after washing and drying her hair, now I'm just curling her hair for the installation of the frontal. And for the cornrows, we are doing like a small size cornrow like so, because she requested for it. She didn't want to get like big size cornrows. She wanted to be able to wear the cornrow for a long time, just in case she even tried to loosen the hair later on. So, and if you need a detailed tutorial on cornrows, you can let me know in the comment section as well, and I'm going to film one for you guys. Hi loves, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So this video was actually not planned, but the result was mind-blowing. Like, it came out so well. The installation, the preparation of the hair and everything, and it's so quick and short, and it's also straight to the point, guys. So I would advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to skip or miss any single step. Subscribe if you haven't, give the video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section below. All of this actually encourages us to keep filming more videos for you guys, more detailed tutorial for you guys. Hey guys, she was one of the fashion designers in the previous video, that's the previous vlog, and if you haven't seen the vlog, just go ahead to check the description box. Yeah, and you will see a link to the vlog. So just go and watch the vlog. It's so interesting because I did a makeup and hair. I styled people's like models, or should I say fashionistas' hairs for a fashion show, and I also glammed them up for the fashion show, or should I say a project fashion show. So link, like I said before, so link will be in the description box below. Like I said before, watching, you will notice that she wasn't the only one here. So we did like about, I think, 2 or 3 people's hair that particular day for the fashion show. So yeah, just continue to watch. It was a busy day for us that particular day. Alright, now we are done with the cornrows, and this is what it looks like. Next is the installation of the hair. We'll just go ahead to wear her the hair, and this wig is actually a 5x5 closure bounce wig, and it's not a HD lace. And yeah, for her installation, she does not want any window peak hairline. You know, these days we can actually create like a window peak hairline for 5x5, but she doesn't want any of that. She just wants the hairline to just be straight. She doesn't want any pattern. She just wants it to be straight. So after placing the wig, next is just to go ahead to apply glue. For those of you that are always asking me, this is the lace glue I use. For now, we'll just go ahead to apply a thin layer of the glue and then spread it out, and then use my hand dryer to just go ahead to make it dry faster from a chalk white color to a clear white color. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. Once the color of the glue changes from a chalk white to a clear white, we then go ahead to place the lace right where I apply the glue, using my comb to do so. And while placing it, I am using the comb to kind of press it down. So I'm kind of pressing the lace down so it can melt down to the glue, and also so that it can be laid straight without folding. So this is the method I usually use to lay down the lace, just to avoid any folding of the lace. I will still further use the back of my comb to still press it down like so. Then after that, we'll go ahead to tie with a band, just so that everything can melt down seamlessly. While still having the headband done or headband on her head, we'll just go ahead to start styling the hair because of time. It was really getting late that particular day, so we'll just go ahead to start styling the hair. So for her request, she wanted like a C-part style, so that's what we're going to be achieving. And to achieve that, I'm using a tail comb to do so. Then after parting the hair, we'll go ahead to apply hair wax on the hair or the part. To go ahead to apply hair wax on that part side just to slick down all the flyaway hairs. Then we'll go ahead to use my hand dryer to further make the front side of the hair to lay flat. If you're an OG, you already know that I love to, like, I love I love you to use my hand dryer instead of like a hot comb. So after styling the front, we'll then start coiling the back of the hair like so. At this point, I'm just going to allow you guys watch the video and enjoy the music. If you have any questions or if you are curious about anything regarding this hairstyle or something else, you can let me know. Just in case you want a luxury hair, affordable wigs and hair, you can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. The link will be in the description box below. We have bundles, wigs, different hair textures, bone straight, bounce, coily hairs, and we have wavy hairs as well, both in wigs and in bundles. We also have braided wigs as well. We have hair products like mayonnaise, hair creams, etc. We ship worldwide using DHL to do so. Do not forget to check the link in the description box below, or you can check our business Instagram handle, our Instagram page, which is Exquisite Signature. All the info will be in the description box below, or you can check my personal page. I am _Onyinye Okeke on Instagram.
I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Now that I'm done coiling, the next thing is just to apply got to be gel on the front part of the hair, just on the left side. And this was actually requested by her, just for the front side to be laid down flat and also to stay that way, and for her not to have like to style the hair every time. Hope you guys get it. So I'm using got to be gel to actually lay down the front part of the hair.
Baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So yeah, this is it. This is the final look, the final result. Happy clients, happy hairstylist. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, do not forget to subscribe, share the video to friends and family, give the video a big thumbs up. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
See through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and we turn it back to you. Come here,